Discover the Zuvo silicone cups, a vibrant 24-piece set perfect for baking delicious muffins and cupcakes. Made from food-grade silicone, these reusable cups are safe, eco-friendly, and free from harmful chemicals. They are heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to last, making baking easier and clean up a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these colorful, durable muffin cups add fun and convenience to every baking session you'll find. Purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Folksy Jumbo Baking Cups, the perfect choice for baking large, delicious muffins and cupcakes. Made from food-grade silicone, these reusable, non-stick molds are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. With their vibrant colors and durable design, they can be used in ovens, microwaves, air fryers, freezers, and more. Say goodbye to wasteful paper liners and enjoy creative baking. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and eco-friendly way to bake your favorite treats? Meet Spesh muffin cups, made from high-quality, BPA-free, non-toxic silicone. These durable and flexible baking cups can handle temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. Non-stick, easy to clean, and perfect for baking cupcakes, muffins, brownies, and more. Whether in the oven, microwave, refrigerator, or air fryer, these cups make baking fun and mess-free. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the Lifhety air fryer cups, the perfect kitchen tool for healthy cooking and baking. Made from thick food-grade silicone that is BPA-free, odorless, flexible, and durable, these cups withstand heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use and clean. They feature small handles for effortless removal. Perfect for boiling eggs, baking muffins, or reheating small portions. They are versatile and stackable for compact storage. Elevate your cooking game in 2024. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Eolilim silicone cups, the perfect reusable baking solution for your kitchen and parties. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these large muffin cases withstand temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, making baking and popping out treats effortless. With 6 vibrant colors and easy-to-clean design, they save money and time while adding fun to any occasion. Whether for muffins, cakes, or desserts, these versatile cups are new baking best friend. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the MOECSHSY silicone cups, your new best friend in the kitchen. These versatile, high-quality silicone muffin trays fit air fryers from 6 to 10 quarts, including brands like Gummy and Ninja, Philips, and more. Made from safe, food-grade silicone, they're heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and easy to clean. Perfect for baking eggs, muffins, cakes, and even sandwiches. Reusable and environmentally friendly. They're cooking fun and simple. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.